Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can process in order to get a refund from the Ubisoft app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, just proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to ask for a refund for any of the game that you have purchased, then at the top left section, you will see your username where you can find a right arrow icon. Go ahead and click on it and then click on Account Management. Now, within this page, hover over to Payment and Subscription. Within this page, you will see the Orders and Refunds button. Just click on this. And now this page will show you all of your orders that you have made from the Ubisoft app. You can simply click on any specific order and you will then be able to find the Ask for Refund button. Once you proceed with this button, you may be asked to fill a few details through a form. After filling this up, you can proceed forward with submitting it, and this request will now be sent to the support team at Ubisoft, who will now review your request, and you will be given a notification within your email and also within your chat box about your refund status. If you are qualified for a refund, you will be provided with the full refund right away. And there you have it. That is how you can apply for a refund on Ubisoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.